Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a really cute and easy nail design. Start with a base coat. Apply 2 to 3 coats of a base color. Today I am using tan, but white or light gray would also look really good with this design depending on what colors you want to use. Once the base color is dry, take your lighter color and use the brush of the polish to draw a diagonal line across the nail and fill it in. Add a second coat of that color if necessary. If you want to fix any of your lines, use a small brush or toothpick with the base color. Next, take your darker shade and you'll basically be repeating the same steps except starting from the other side of the nail. You could totally leave the design like this, but I decided to add some dots. To do this, you could use a toothpick or a bobby pin or a dotting tool like I am using here. I am just adding gold dots along the edges of the line. When your design is dry, apply a top coat, then clean up around the edges of the nails using nail polish remover and a small brush. And that's it. This design is so fun and easy, and there are so many color combinations you could do with this. If you'd like to see more nail art, please subscribe to my channel. I also do makeup videos, so if you'd like to see that, you can definitely check out my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!